Hello everyone, this guide will show you how to assemble and set up the accessory kit for the ANDELI CUT-55YS Pro Plasma Cutter, Plasma Torch Assembly. First, install the electrode, then install the swirl ring. Install the matching nozzle, finally, tighten the retaining cap. The plasma torch assembly is now complete. Plasma cutter setup. Connect the ground clamp to the positive terminal. Connect the control cable to the 2-pin control port. Connect the pilot arc cable to the pilot arc terminal. Connect the plasma torch to the integrated air and power connector. Attach the ground clamp directly to the workpiece or a conductive metal surface. This plasma cutter features a built-in DC air pump, allowing cutting without an external air compressor. You can also connect an external air compressor for improved cutting performance. Connect the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Open the air valve. Adjust the air pressure to approximately 58 psi. MMA welding setup. Connect the electrode holder to the positive terminal. Connect the ground clamp to the negative terminal. That's the complete setup guide for the ANDELI CUT-55YS Pro Plasma Cutter Accessory Kit.